Hello friends, today we will tell you about Sushiba cryptocurrency. It is listed on coinmarketcap.com. Its price is $0.0001 and its volume is around $620,000 and blockchain is Binance Coin and it is listed today. Then we will tell you about it. I will review in detail and we will tell you how to buy it and we will open its portfolio. So this portfolio has been opened and its rank is 2865 and 580 people have added it to the watch list and its website is sushibatoken.com and this is its price $0.0001 and BTC is 0.82% high, ETH is 1.32% down and low price is 0 and high price is $0.0001. After that we will come down and this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here and in $1 we are getting around 566 million Sushiba coin. After that we will come down and this is its description, we can read it and its total supply is 100 trillion Sushiba coin. After that we will open its website and click on sushibatoken.com. I have already opened this website and here it has a menu bar like home, feature, what is Sushiba, tokenomics, how to buy, roadmap, community token brands, white paper. Sushiba is the first fully decentralized and deflationary token that unites food lovers with dog lovers. It is also a future looking token aimed at establishing an AI based decentralized marketplace built around its uniquely themed decentralized application. We can buy and we can view live chart. We can join on Twitter, Telegram and Reddit. 50% initial burn, logged liquidity and BSC check safe and 1500 holder. Community token bonds. We are the first to introduce the concept of community token bonds, which are the contribute to help grow to token based contribute from the community that are fully rapid once certain goals are met. Integrated auto named liquidity pool. Each trade made with Sushiba is automatically put in the initial pool. This is a standard feature in modern day tokens that help boost the security and fairness of a token. And automatic tokenomics. Token holder will be able to receive passive earning in the form of Sushiba token whenever a transaction occur as the 2% of each transaction. Automatic tokenomics. Token holder will be able to receive passive earning in the form of Sushiba token whenever a transaction occur as a 2% each transaction is redistributed amongst every holder is an equitable way. Organs of the token. The token organized from the need to bridge the gap between food themed token and dog themed token. What is Sushiba? Sushiba is a project aimed established the first ever AI based decentralized marketplace using blockchain technology and using AI based shopping and AI based decentralized marketplace. And tokenomics explained through breakdown the Sushiba tokenomics fee structure. 2% reflection redistribution fee and 2% transaction 1 fee. Tokenomics explained through breakdown the Sushiba tokenomic fee structure. 2% reflection redistribution and 2% transaction burn fee. Summary table. Total supply is 1 quadrillion. Initial burn token 500 trillion and fair loan supply 500 trillion. And how to buy Sushiba. And this is Sushiba coin address. Max transaction 5 trillion token. First step, create a wallet and second step, purchase BNB. Third step, using PancakeSwap and fourth step, swap BNB for Sushiba using 12% slippage. The roadmap. The road towards AI based decentralized roadmap. Initial launch and marketing, community creation, audit, integration of Sushiba onto the major crypto exchange. Community token bonds are a brand new concept introduced by Sushiba to help foster the growth of project while still benefiting both investor and contributors. You can contribute to helping us achieve the goals on roadmap by donating to our marketing wallet and being the paid back to Susiba once we hit 1 million market cap. Contribute to the growth of Susiba. Number 2, we will need your help to reach the target and get the paid back to Susiba. Target is 1 million. And process toward budget goal. You can follow the process of Susiba budget goal of $7,000 below. Start now. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it. And we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page and we will click on DApp section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet and click on connect and click on Trust Wallet and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap and click on confirm swap and click on accept button and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.